The Smartoo Dog Water Fountain is designed with a generous 7-liter capacity, which is perfect for keeping large dogs hydrated throughout the week without frequent refills. This fountain features an advanced 4-stage filtration system, ensuring that your pet receives clean and fresh water by removing impurities like fur, heavy metals, and odors. Its ultra-quiet pump operates at a minimal noise level of 25 decibels, allowing for a peaceful environment while your pet hydrates or while you rest. The design caters to the comfort of larger dogs, providing a deeper bowl that accommodates their size and helps prevent any digestive issues by controlling the water flow speed. Made from durable 304 stainless steel, the fountain is easy to assemble and clean, making it convenient for pet owners with busy lifestyles. Smartoo offers excellent customer service, ensuring pet owners can easily reach out for support or additional filters to maintain optimal performance of the fountain.